All right, this is your Instant Pot. Don't be scared. It makes rice. It's a pressure cooker. It could be your crock pot. I'm gonna take you through a really simple function that you're gonna use a lot of the time. You're gonna saute, then you're gonna dump some ingredients, and then you're gonna put it to stew, and then you leave it. And then you leave it and you come back in 20 minutes and your dinner's ready. So I mean, that's just like the perfect thing when you're in a rush. Turn it on. And you're gonna turn that on saute. The pressure to high by pressing adjust. And then it's heating up. Pour some oil in. I'm gonna brown my onions. I'm gonna brown my meat, and then I'm gonna dump some liquid in and stew it. All right, here we go. So the onions, they're happy, they're translucent, they're frying in oil. And now all this meat, doesn't matter what meat, guys, you're gonna have a bunch of different recipes that work this way that are gonna call for browning the meat and then stewing it. So you're sauteing, everything's brown, you've got all your other ingredients that you're ready to dump in. I'm just gonna use salsa to show you that you just dump the liquid in. You give it a mix. Now we're ready to stew it. So I'm gonna turn off the saute function. I'm gonna stick my lid on. I'm gonna close the vent hole. And then I'm gonna go to manual. It's on 30 minutes. That's good for what I'm doing. Just gonna leave it.